Grandfather paradox, you might hear it in movies, series, or somewhere else and still don't know what it is. When curious and wanna find out, then don't worry. I am here, I tell you. So what is a paradox? So anything that cause an effect in timeline that results from time traveling back in time is called paradox. People created so many kind of paradox, mostly are concept paradox. So one of them is grandfather paradox. So according to this paradox, if a time traveler create a time machine and go in past before his grandfather had children and kill him, so he's died, and if he's dead then his father is not gonna burn, and if his father is not gonna burn then the time traveler is not gonna burn. Then the real thing happened. If the boy is not gonna, the traveler is not gonna burn, then he didn't create the time machine. If he don't create the time machine, that's mean his grandfather is alive. That's mean his father is gonna burn and time traveler is again gonna burn, and he also create the time machine, go back in time and kill his grandfather. So it's create an endless loop. But it is not possible if multiverse concept exists. If you wanna know about multiverse concept, then I can upload a video on this in ASAP. So bye. Like this video if you like it.